Good morning, it's Brian at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you a four-wheel drive, which is pretty rare actually. Four-wheel drive Hyundai Tucson. We are Fitzpatrick's Kildare. Behind me there's Maxall, just there. There is Honda, just over here. There is Hyundai, and then further up the road up there, all the way up to the top, there is also Mercedes, and there's garages in Naas, Carlow and Tullamore as well. So it is a family run business in operation for almost 70 years, so if you're spending money, a lot of money, like on a car like this, you know that there's going to be an after-sale service because the garage is here so long. So anyway, let's have a look at the car. So this is it, as we were saying, 2-litre, four-wheel drive Hyundai Tucson. Most Tucsons you see on the road, and the vast majority of the ones we sold were actually four-wheel drives. However, the previous owner that actually bought this car at the time, they lived up just off Kildare up in Dublin, which is, I suppose, an area that's exposed to snow and stuff like that. So they felt that they would need a four-wheel drive, and actually quite recently that was justified, and they got for the exact same car again. So the only way you'd know one of these is a four-wheel drive is because it is badged back here, but other than that they are indistinguishable in terms of appearance, and then after that though there is different driving characteristics. So let's have a better look. So I've just moved into an area where there is less sun, so it might be a bit easier because this iPod is not brilliant when it comes to adjusting to natural lighting effects. Anyway, so the car itself is in excellent condition. As we were saying, it is a one-owner car from brand new. So as an executive, the significant features on the front of the car were a brushed aluminium style skid plate at the front, brushed aluminium style cascading grille at the front. Daytime running lights are down through here, front fog lights here, and then we have dipped headlights here, cornering lamps here, full headlights here. So this goes forward, this is your full light going forward, and this light goes sideways. So when you're pulling in and out of junctions, for example in this case, this would be lighting up what's happening over that direction, and vice versa on the right hand side. Car's only got a quick clean up, but it is in nice condition. As we were saying, this wheel here is in excellent condition, but we'll have to have a look at it to see what it's like for brakes and tyres. Car currently travelled about 45,000 kilometres, and there is a full dealer service history from ourselves. All original down the side, no accidents, no body repairs. So I would go as far as saying the two doors, quarter panel onto the wing, all in excellent condition. Front bumper and bonnet all in excellent condition as well. This car, in terms of colour, was what was called a Thunder Grey. Previous owner put just a set of these rain shields, which are genuine Hyundai. The car has some road tax until 119, so January of next year, and it is €280 per year for annual road tax. The engine is a 2-litre CRDi turbo diesel setup, so it's about 140 horsepower, and it, to be fair, I have to say, is actually very economical. I drove this car just over the weekend, so probably covered about 300 kilometres, and I actually, probably not correct by saying this, but I actually thought it was slightly easier than the 1.7. So I averaged around 5.3 litres, but I was trying to see what the best I could get out of the car was. But actually it's really easy on fuel. Cool thing about these, full size spare wheel, in this case completely unused. Previous owners also specified a boot mat, so it's all nice and tidy underneath. And then in the case of these, you can move that back there, and it allows the rear seats to recline then if you want. So rear windows have privacy glass over here and here, and then the rear lights are an LED, so big long LED strip up here, and then individual LEDs in through there as well. And as we were saying, the only way you'll know, four-wheel drive written down here, but other than that it's the same as the executive models. Rear parking sensors are also on this car, and then down low we also have genuine Hyundai mud flaps as well. In terms of the rear of the car, door cards are in excellent condition. Previous owners did not have a young family. They also specified rubber mats at the time, which are hard wearing mats. So that has been quite good, because underneath the carpets and all that kind of stuff are absolutely perfect. Rear seats are full black leather, 3 head restraints, armrest in the centre with drinks holder, Isofix down here, Isofix over here, and then after that kangaroo pockets in the rear of each seat, and over here then ventilation for the rear passengers as well. And as we were saying then, the seat, you can literally use this just to drop it down, and then you've got a flat section going in here, or you can use it again to pop it back up. And once we do that, then, as we were saying, we can move the back tray, and that actually allows us to recline the rear seat a little bit further back than a normal car, or else we can bring it back up forward like so. And actually it looks like only a very small amount, but when you recline that back seat as an adult, that is way more comfortable on a long journey. Because it is an executive, it has electric folding wing mirrors, so open and close, and it brings them straight back out through there as well. And then let's start it up. So again, as we were saying, rubber mats up front. Car has not been cleaned. It's been given a quick clean, but nothing too significant. Right, okay, down through the centre, armrest, in through here, which goes back and forward, a bit of storage, 6/4 gears. Over here then, steering mode you can change for sport or normal. Hill descent control, which is going to allow you to descend a hill without relying on your brakes. Diff lock, and then after that parking sensors on or off. And if we go for reverse, we also get reverse camera with dynamic guidelines as well. Heating controls are dual zone on either side. I've got seat heaters up front at various different rates for the front driver side and passenger side. In through here, touchscreen style radio, which is mated to USB connectors down through here, so you can play music, charge phone, or Bluetooth music in through here as well, so all very easy to use. The controls down here are for Bluetooth. Headlights are automated, wiper controls in through there, and then after that cruise control with a speed limiter up through there as well. Just like the outside, the inside is in excellent condition as well, so I think it is fair to say that this car is very, very nice condition throughout, one owner from new, with full service history at our garage. As we were saying then, road tax for the year is €280. The car is 140 horsepower, it is 4-wheel drive, so these cars are quite rare, not impossible obviously to get. We did sell a few of them, but the vast majority of people buying these are buying 2-wheel drive, so this is really going to appeal for two reasons. If you want a Tucson, you can go for 2-wheel drive, but if you want one with extra power, or if you want one with 4-wheel drive, this has got to be the one you got to look at then. So, and I think we have it priced competitively as well compared to other dealers too. So if you want information on the car, please do give me a call, just to give you an idea acceleration wise. So just down a little road down the back of the garage here, so just to give you an idea, if we accelerate say from second gear, so at the moment we are doing 30 kilometers an hour, so accelerate now, pulls on really well, into third. Unfortunately the sun is not helping things today, but that just gives you a vague idea. But the car does pull quite well. Anyway, we are, as we were saying, family run business in operation for almost 70 years. If you are looking for a 4-wheel drive Tucson, I definitely think this is, or 4-wheel drive car in general, this is definitely worth considering. These are easy on fuel, easy to run. There's warranty on this car till 2021. There's AA cover until 2021. They're not expensive when it comes to servicing. We can trade in any car you have. We can offer you finance as well, no matter what way you want to structure a deal. Brian's my name, 086 843 1945. If you come to the garage, please do ask for me. I'd appreciate it, and no matter where you are in the country, we would be interested in your business. So 086 843 1945. Thank you for taking time to watch.